Yo, what's up, gamers? Gamer Game here, and Gamer Shut Up. Yo, what's up, gamers? Gamer Game here, and we are testing my mic. This is the mic, but we're gonna be speaking Tagalog with a guest. Kim Gaming. Subscribe to his channel. He's awesome too. She's awesome. Yes, she's and we're gonna speak Tagalog because we're Filipino. Okay, ayan na. Umikot na. Para mongoloid. Ito nga pala yung box ng aking mic. Makikita mo naman yun sa thumbnail. O, i-ASMR niya. Pero, panoodin mo yung last na video ko. Yung ASMR. Ito, ang gamit ko dun. Siya naman. Mic check with a plot twist. ASMR with a super plot twist. Ito, tapos na. Parang lakas na yun. Sorry. Ngayon ay mabibingi kayo. Ibaba niyo yung volume nyo Kasi ayun Ah! Sabi sa inyo, ibaba nyo Ah! Sorry, ayoko na. Nabibingi din ako So we're gonna be testing out this mic. Like, this is my voice. And this is my voice with the mic. I saw that in the commercial in shop. Okay. This is TikTok. Subscribe to my TikTok channel. TikTok account. Sa YouTube. Okay. My name is TikTok is Sigma. All capital case. Oh. All caps. All caps. Captain America. Okay. And this is my voice with the mic. This is my voice with the mic. Let me go a little proud. We're gonna be a little. Ano nga ba yun? Little. Basta ako magkatawa sa likod. Put your volume down. Bro! Ito ko without the mic. Ito ko with the mic. Ha! Huwag ka makulit. Ito ko with the mic. And ito ko without the mic. Hindi mo ako makita. Ha? Nakita mo ako? No. You can't find me. Master. Hide and cheat. Backflip. I'm gonna show you my backflip. She's gonna try it now. On, my turn. Sorry. Let's go. I'm being nice. I will do it ASMR. This is my voice with the mic. This is my voice without the mic. This is my voice without the mic. This is my voice with the mic. Natatakot ako. This is my voice with the mic. This is my voice without the mic. I am being so nice. And I am not like. Okay. Subscribe to his channel. His. Her channel. Okay, I'm gonna do that for now. Maybe later or not. If you want to watch more exciting videos, smash that like button and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye guys.